We got the 2008 Mercedes SL55. This thing is a V8, about 510 horsepower. Today, what we did was we took off the both resonators in the middle. The mufflers are still on in the back. Let's take a look. At first, we were like, the customer wanted one resonator set off, so we're like, all right, cool. That's what we did right there. We started it up. I couldn't get that sound, but we started it up. It was a little bit too quiet, so we're like, hey, let's remove that second resonator. Check those out right there on the floor. We have Gio welding it up nice and neat, looking like a fucking miserable. And we're gonna bring it down and fire it up. In the back, we have the stock mufflers right there. The customer didn't want any tips, but again, a lot of people go in sections, right? So you start with the resonators, you come back a month from now, 2 months after you drive it around, you feel it out, you make the next step happen. All right, so guys, check out the links in the description below. We have new merch right here, Porsche green, boom, available on muffyd.com. Or if you want to own a franchise, go to gexhaust.com and all the information is there. All right, let's hear it.